Welcome to another Adobe Script tutorial, this time in Design. We'll make a slug line each page that includes page size. To start, I'll create a new file. Adobe Script Tutorial 30. First, we need some variables. var bounds, var doc, var height, var I, var page, var text frame, and var width. Then tell the script what measurement units to use. I'll use inches. App, script preferences, measurement unit equals. Measurement units, inches. There are others. I'll list them here. Use whichever you prefer. We need a document object. Doc equals app active document. Now loop through all the pages. For I equals 0, I is less than doc pages length, I plus. Page equals doc pages I. Bounds equals page bounds. Bounds is an array that defines 2 points, the top left corner and the bottom right corner. The y-axis is from top to bottom. The x-axis is from left to right. The top left is the first y-coordinate and the first x-coordinate. The bottom right is the second y and x coordinates. These values are script measurement units. Bounds are not how tall and wide the area is. The values are absolute coordinates. To get width and height, subtract the top left coordinates from the bottom right. Height equals bounds 2 minus bounds 0. Width equals bounds 3 minus bounds 1. Next, make a text frame to hold the information we want to display. Text frame equals page text frames add. Then define the text frame bounds. This is an array of coordinates just like page bounds. Text frame geometric bounds equals minus 0.25, 0, 0, 3. These values are script measurement units, which are inches. The first value is negative to put the frame above the page edge. Update to another position if desired. Next is the contents of the text frame. Text frame contents equals doc name plus 2 spaces plus page name plus 2 spaces plus width plus space x space plus height. To start, style the paragraph with basic paragraph, then change desired properties. Text frame, paragraphs 0, applied paragraph style equals doc paragraph styles 1, which is basic paragraph. Text frame paragraph 0, applied font equals app fonts item by name, Arial, tab, regular. Change to whatever you like. I have another script that lists fonts installed in InDesign with the correct names to use in scripts. Get font names. To download the script, see the link in the description. Continue setting other properties of the text. Text frame, paragraphs 0, fill color equals doc, swatches, item by name, black. Or choose another swatch if you prefer. Text frame, paragraph 0, fill tint equals 100. That's percent. Text frame, paragraph 0, justification equals justification left align. Text frame, paragraph 0, point size equals 0.125. This is script measurement units, even though it says points. 1/8 of an inch is the equivalent of 9 points. Save the script and go to InDesign. To demonstrate, I have a document with 3 different page sizes. Run the script, and each page gets a slug line that includes the page size. To display other information, change the contents property of the text frame or paragraph. I've made a download for the code. Get it at the link in the description. Like this video and subscribe. Also, leave a comment. All feedback is welcome. Click the video or playlist on screen for more. Thank you for watching.